garlic and herb pan-seared chicken is one of the most mouth-watering chicken recipes I've ever made, and I think you'll like it too. I started with about 2 tablespoons of real butter. I added it to a non-stick skillet, and I put the skin side down of 2 chicken thighs. Dark meat chicken is very flavorful, by the way, and very tender. It does take a little while longer to cook all the way, but it is worth it for this recipe. I seared the skin side of the chicken until it was crispy and added a little butter and garlic and herb Mrs. Dash salt-free seasoning. I gave it a generous sprinkling. And if you are watching your sodium intake, this is an excellent seasoning to use not only on chicken, but many other recipes as well. It adds amazing flavor. And you want to make sure that the thickest part of the chicken thighs are at 165 degrees to make sure they have cooked all the way. I added black peppercorn and some sea salt. And I made sure that I basted the tops of those chicken thighs with the butter and the fat that was rendered from the chicken to keep it moist and flavorful. And again, make sure the thickest part of that chicken is at 165 degrees. And a great side dish for this garlic and herb chicken is my Bama style baked beans, which is available in my videos. You can get the recipe, and it has one secret ingredient that you will be very surprised about. My macaroni and cheese recipe is also available in my video playlist. Again, make sure you grab some garlic and herb flavored Mrs. Dash seasoning next time you go to the grocery store for this recipe. Be sure and check out my video for the Bama style baked beans with hamburger meat. It goes great with this garlic and herb pan-seared chicken. Another great side dish would be mashed potatoes or green beans. Thank y'all for watching my channel. I hope you have a wonderful and blessed day. Be sure to like and subscribe to be notified of my upcoming videos, and I will see you soon.